Good morning! We are here at Shibuya right now. Actually, sobrang aga pa. Around mga 7:20, 25 na ngayon. And change of plans. Iba yung gagawin namin sa itinerary namin talaga for today. So ngayon pupunta kami ng Shibuya. Actually, nasa Shibuya na rin naman kami kahapon kasi nga punta kami sa Donki. Pero ngayon, pupuntahan namin yung Hachiko statue and then yung Shibuya crossing. Pero nakita na rin namin yung kagabi. Pero sobrang daming tao. As in, sobrang lala kahapon. Sobrang daming tao. Siguro rush hour. Nung time na pumunta kami. So ngayon titignan namin kasi maaga pa. So tingnan na lang namin kung ano itsura ng daytime. Actually, ang pangit ng weather. Well, now, hindi naman umuulan, pero gloomy. Nakalimutan ko maglagay ng contact lens, so naka-glasses tayo for today. Ito yung mga binili rin namin kahapon sa Uniqlo. Ayan, pati yung shorts. Kasi yung shorts din niya galing sa Uniqlo. And then later, punta kami sa GU. Kasi may GU dito sa Shibuya. Pero hanap muna kami na makakain. So, yun. Let's see how this day is gonna go. Nakikita nyo ba yun? May Hachiko parang video na piniplay. Yan. Yan. Ito yung Shibuya crossing. Wala pa masyadong tao kasi na sobrang aga pa. But that's how it looks like now. Parang medyo I feel underwhelmed. Kasi akala ko sobrang malaki siya, sobrang mahaba, ganun. Pero parang medyo maliit lang yung distance.
It looks like a normal crossing.
Yeah, but no, I think it's because there are a lot of people crossing it. That's why it's popular. But we were here last night. And there were a lot of people.
Yeah.
Like, so many people. But it was too much for us. It's so overstimulating. Cross. The lights is blinking right now. Oh no, it's red now. Let's run. Yay! Maaraw na! It's starting to be sunny now.
Clearing up.
Yeah, so it's actually good now. Like, I like this. I like this weather. Pupunta kaming Hachiko statue kanina. Eh, nakakatuwa kasi grabe pinapanood ko lang yung dati nung bata pa ako. Tapos sobrang ilang beses ako pinaiyak ni Hachiko. Tapos sabi ko, puntahan ko talaga yung Hachiko statue pag malaki na ako at kung kaya ko na. So, ayan, kaya ko na. Nakapunta na ako, nakita ko na siya. Wala namang masyadong special dun sa statue. Pero, syempre, alam mo yun, parang memories. Nakakatuwa pa rin siyang puntahan. Pero simple lang siya. As in, may statue lang dun. Tapos parang ginawan lang nila ng background. Nakita nyo dun sa video. For me, worth it pa rin puntahan. I got this one. This is mocha. And then this one. What's your one? Black coffee. Just black.
Americano.
Oh, Americano. We're just having a small half bread. Ham and cheese bread. But it's just half because we don't really want to be full now and eat too much because we're gonna go to a pancake place later. So that's our actual breakfast. We're just killing time now and just pretty much resting. How the line is, and it's not even open yet. I feel like some people would back out if they see this line, but it just got me more curious.
if we were at the back over there, I would have left.
Yeah, I'm just curious, like, this must be good. Papasok na kami sa loob, so nakaupo na kami dito, pero ang sabi, serving time is 30 minutes. Open na rin natin sa kapasok na kami kasi more than 1 hour kami nasa labas na nakapila, nakatayo. So, at least ngayon nakaupo kami, nakarelax kami. Kaya kanila kami dito ng peanut, right? Meron kami peanut dito. Tapos, water, free water. Pero nag-order din kami ng drinks. Yung drinks mauna kaysa doon sa pancake. More than 1 hour and 30 minutes for the pancakes. We ate for like 10 minutes. So fast. So now we're out. We're full, we're out. Now we're going to, actually, we can see something here. So there is the Pokemon Center Shibuya. I think Elliot wants to go there. Do you want to go there?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go. We need to go upstairs. Oh, there's an elevator here. Map ng elevator, pero I think we're going to level 6. The Pokemon Center. What? like different sleeves here. May mga cards sila dyan. Iba-iba. If you're a fan of anime, maganda tong lugar na to para sa inyo. Pero ako hindi naman ako masyadong fan ng anime. Pero ako mga ibang alam, nanonood naman ako dati pero hindi ganoon ka-intense. Hindi ako fanatic ng anime. Nintendo, andun si Super Mario. Ayan. Sobrang happy. Whoa, what's this?
Amiibos. They follow
Amiibo?
yeah, they follow like in-game characters.
Cute! Zelda! We are in this level now, so now we're going down because we're done. Dito na kami sa baba. There are actually so much things to see just here in Shibuya alone. So if you don't have self-control, like really you'll spend so much money in here. There, like all the things that you can think of are here. We're back to another claw machine place. As in, sobrang random lang na nakakita kami ng mga ganito.
This is what she married.
Look, we got something and we didn't even have to pay for it. So maybe the person who tried playing it didn't really realize that there's another, what do you call it? There's another turn. So yeah, we got this for free. I'm in gym right now, so I'm trying this clothes. I think this is really good, but this one is tight to me, so I need to size up. I'll get the large, extra large, because this one is large, so I'll get the extra large. Get this. This is the other one that I tried. It's useless, and it's also padded, so I don't have to wear a bra inside, but it's actually, yeah, I think it's fine. It's good. Yeah, we actually bought a lot, but it's a lot cheaper than Uniqlo, the one that we bought yesterday, so it's really cool. You can put these sides. I was tempted to get that. There's like... We're here at Square Enix Garden. Ayan, may mga Final Fantasy stuff here. If you are a fan of Final Fantasy, dito kayo pumunta. Music boxes. Some of these we have at home. I mean, Elliot have at home. Are you gonna buy?
Probably.
So we're buying something. I never played Final Fantasy, but I know it's a popular game. Elliot loves Final Fantasy, but he stopped playing it now. But he used to do it back in the day. Pado na po kaming maraming nagagastos for today's video. We spent a lot of money for this.
Yeah.
It just never ends. Sabi ko, pupunta kayo sa Japan, mag-ready talaga kayo kasi may mga bigla-bigla kayong makikita na hindi nyo inaasahan at mapapapili kayo ng mga kung ano-anong bagay na hindi nyo planado. So, ngayon naman, tapos tayo. Hopefully, wala na kami kailangan bilhin at okay na naman siguro. Pupunta na kami sa Asakusa. 2:35 PM na ngayon. We are now here at Asakusa. We're trying to find a place where we can buy some food. I mean, not an actual meal, but like snacks. Initially, nagplan talaga, kasal talaga sa itinerary namin yung kimono rental dito sa Asakusa. Pero wala na kaming time. As in, ang dami na nangyari. So sabi namin, wag na natin gawin today. Wag na natin isingit yung kimono rental. Probably, magagawa namin siya sa Kyoto, which is okay lang din naman. Pero ang daming mga nakakimono dito, so ang cute. So open to from morning to evening. Walang entrance fee, walang kahit ano. Pasok lang kayo. Tapos ang daming stall sa loob. Yung mga nakita nyo kanina, dun yun, sa loob. So, na-try this. Yan na yung bipili namin, pero sold out na. So, we're trying the cheese ground beef cutlet and the beef.
Beef and potato.
Beef and potato. Okay.
Cheese.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato. This is the beef and potato. Nice and crispy, yeah.
Yeah, but it's fine. It's not.
Oh, it's perfect. one's beef and cheese. Oh, I think there's pork and beef and cheese. It's really, really yum. Yeah.
Is it hot?
No, it's fine. It's like, it is, but it isn't. It's like perfect for eating. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh. My winner is the cheese.
Yeah, I was thinking it.
Well, this is really good. This is like nice and sweet. So.
That's not sweet, it's sweet.
The onion.
It's okay.
Kind of exactly what we needed right now. We don't really want to fill up because of the sushi, but we also want to have a little bit of some food to get us by.
And we need to drink as well.
Oh yeah, we do.
There's a lot of people here, but I still recommend this place. I feel like it's really, yeah, it's cultural, like it's unique, and there's a lot of place. I mean, stalls for food, a lot of stalls for souvenirs and things like that, and just random things. And yeah, and the temples are actually really good too. We're going inside now. Hopefully we're allowed. Yeah, I think so. Ang ganda ng loob. Ko alam kung nakikita nyo Meron pang isa doon. Ayan. Wow. Na kami sa labas. Meron pa doon, Ay, look. There's still something there.
Wow.
Hello. Nakakatakam yung area na to. Naaamoy ko yung pagkain. Pero pinipigilan namin kumain kasi kakain nga kami ng heavy dinner mamaya. Magsusushi train kami. So ayaw namin busog. Pero grabe, yung amoy. Parang ready na akong kumain. Pero wala, kailangan natin pigilan yung sarili natin. We are now in Ueno. So, dito na kami magde-dinner. Nag-skip muna kami sa Akihabara kasi sobrang pagod na ako. Kasi yung legs ko, parang feeling ko willpower na lang yung nagpapalakad sa akin. So, nakapila kami ngayon kasi magsusushi train kami. So, medyo may pila dito. Hopefully, mabilis lang, pero parang hindi. Pero, mag-antay kami. At least meron pa naman. Hindi pa naman kami sobrang gutom, pero magugutom na. Dito kami sa restaurant na to kakain. So, sushi train siya. Merong train sa loob. Pasok na kami sa loob. Ito yung iPod. Saan kami mag-order later. Nag-order kami ng plate. Actually, may isa pa dito. Tsaka may isa pa dito. So, dalawa na yung nakain ko. Nakalimutan ko mag-video. So, meron akong plate. Tapos meron din si Elliot ng plate. Ito, mga in-order namin dito. Yan yung mga plates na nakakain namin. Tapos meron pang drumsticks. This is curry tuna. Nabusog na kami. Ito na yung mga plato na naubos namin. So, dito sila sa plato sa base kung magkano babayaran namin kasi may presyo siya per plato. Just got back from the hotel and pagpasok namin dun sa door may nakaipit na papel dun sa may pintuan. Tapos ito yung nakalagay sa papel. Finally, nandito na yung bagahe namin. So lahat ng gamit namin nandito na. So may contact lens na si Elliot, nandito na lahat, pati yung mga damit, pantalon, sapatos, lahat. Okay, so yay! Actually, sa dami ng pinamili naming mga extrang damit, ngayon hindi ko alam kung mag-excess baggage na ba kami pag-uwi. Kasi actually, hindi naman namin alam kung kailan talaga dadating yung bagahe namin. Kaya, nagpa-extra kaming mga binili ng mga gamit. So ngayon, hindi ko alam kung kapag ba nilagay namin yung mga binamili namin dun sa bagahe namin is mag-over baggage ba kami. Kukunin na namin sa baba yung bagahe namin at akit namin. Anyway, ayun lang lahat ng mga ginawa namin today. Ang dami naming nagastos today, parang kahapon. So hopefully tomorrow, starting tomorrow hanggang sa mga susunod na araw, ay medyo hinay-hinay na muna kami sa paggastos. Siguro ngayon napatunayan ko talaga na hindi ako shopper or hindi talaga ako mahilig, ay hindi ako nakaka-find ng joy sa pamimili. Kasi para ako nasa stress. So kahapon, namili kami ng mga gamit. So nagtatry ako ng mga damit. Nagtitingin ako ng mga damit. So para akong ano ba, ang daming nangyayari. Tapos ang daming tao. Tapos nagsusukat ako. Tapos hindi kasya. Kasi hindi na ako ganun talagang namimili ng mga damit. So kinukuha ko mga medium. Hindi na pala ako medium. So nasa large to extra large ako dito. So, nag-gain naman talaga ako ng weight. So hindi ko na siya tansyado. Dati talaga kumukuha lang ako. Minsan nga hindi ko na i-fit yun eh. Ang gulo-gulo. Tapos ang daming tao. Nakaka-overstimulate siya. Hindi talaga ako na-happy. Hindi yun yung source of happiness ko yung pag-shopping. As a whole, happy ako sa kung anong nagawa namin kahapon at today. And ngayon, actually, maaga pa. Mga 7:15 pa lang. Tomorrow, Disney Sea na kami. Nakaka-excite. Hindi ko alam kung meron pa kaming gagawin before nun or baka yun na lang. Pero Disney Sea lang ang priority for tomorrow. So, hanggang dito na lang muna itong vlog na to. Bukas ulit. Kita-kita tayo. Paalam! Bye!